What's happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you 3 awesome hi-hat licks that will not get you fired. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? Welcome in. Hope you're all well, ready to learn some drums. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. That'd be badass to have you part of the gang. Let's get to the lesson. So today I'm going to show you 3 hi-hat little licks that I play that try to not deviate too much from the groove. So they give a little bit of extra spice. Maybe there's a gap in the vocal. Maybe it's wanting to build a section a little bit, but they don't deviate. It's not a full-blown fill, and I don't lose the groove. So grab the PDF, which is in the description below, and we'll get started. The first little lick is just a little flurry, little fast herta bass thing into a hi-hat lift, smacking down that backbeat. So if you look on the PDF, the lick itself, or the hi-hat thing, starts on the E of 2. So we've got a backbeat on 2, 2, then we're going to have E and A, 3, E and A, 4. That sounds like this in context. A little bit faster. Number 2 today is a little underhand hi-hat thing that we can do. Now, you guys have probably seen this. I do it a lot. Loads of guys. It's a really cool technique to play underneath your other hand on the hi-hat to get a chunkier tone. You see that in the side cam? Over, under, over, under. It's like Sesame Street. So we're going to start this on the and of 2, and we're going to play a little triplet lick, a little very Stuart Copeland, Vinnie Colaiuta thing. And we're going to go and, trip, lit, 3. From beat 3, we're going to do a little paradiddle, 3, E, and A, 4. A little bark on that A as well. Sounds like this. So that one sounds like this, a little bit faster. And finally, we're going to jump up to like a disco kind of thing, and we're going to just basically steal something right out of Shaka Khan's Ain't Nobody, shove it right after the backbeat. It just sounds really cool. We're going to basically do that, a really fast 2-bark thing. Now what you can do is you can use it to build up tension in your groove and then keep it going to the release. So it sounds like this. Here's an example. So you can see there, it's kind of building up. It's like it becomes a feature of its, in and of itself, that you can use within your grooves. Obviously, if you're playing like something a little bit more understated, maybe don't bust it out. So if you guys dug this lesson, if you did, smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share this around with your friends, and I'll see you guys next week.